we saw how the calendar will be presented, right? So it will be having number of days and it will be having weeks. Now let us know how many weeks and days the months will be having. So if you observe the January month, so it is having 4 weeks with that 2 days, right? So 4 weeks 2 days it is having. February it is having 4 weeks. March it is having 4 weeks 3 days. And then April it is having 4 weeks 2 days. And so in 1 week there will be 7 days. So 4 into 7 we need to do with that extra 2. So totally how many days we can find from this? So for example, if I take January, 4 into 7, 28 plus 2, it is 30. So 30 days is there. That's what we gonna say. 4 weeks 2 days means. Similarly, April will be having 4 weeks 2 days. May will be having 4 weeks 3 days. June will be having 4 weeks 2 days. And July will be having 4 weeks 3 days. August will be having 4 weeks 3 days again. And September will be having 4 weeks 2 days. And October will be having 4 weeks 3 days. And then November will be having 4 weeks and 2 days. And December will be having 4 weeks 3 days. Got it? Likewise, we can represent the weeks. And in the previous section we got to know about the leap year, right? Yeah. So the year in which the February month has 29 days is called as a leap year, right? And this leap year will be repeats once in 4 years. Now let us learn how to find whether the given year is leap year or not. See, for that, let me consider a calendar of a month February of different years. For 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017 calendar. So if you observe in this calendar, here in 2012 we are having leap year. Then after 4 years, right? After 2013, 2014, 2015, we are having a leap year in 2016, right? So once in a 4 year. So if we observe, it is repeating once in a 4 years, right? Yes. So if I take the last two digits of this 2012 and 2016, so which is 12 and 16, and if I divide by 4, so what will be the remainder? So 4. If I divide the 16 by 4, I'll get 0, and 12 by 4, I'm gonna get 0. So from this, what we can say? So if the remainder is 0, means this 2012 and 2016 is completely divisible by 4. So if the last 2 digits of a year gets divided completely by 4, it is a leap year. And if the century year is completely divided by 400, then only it can be called as leap year. Let me consider one more year example, 1901. So now I'm going to divide this 1901 by 4. So let's see what will be the remainder. So 4 divided by 1901 divided by 4, right? So 4 into 4 is 16. So I'm going to get remainder as 3. I'll take 0 down. And then 4 into 7 is 28. Then I'll get remainder as 2. And I'm going to take 1 which is in the unit place to the down. Now the dividend is 21. So 4 into 5 is 20. And the remainder is 1. Since the remainder year is not equals to 0, it is not a leap year. So likewise, we can calculate whether the given year is a leap year or not by doing this division. It is very simple, right? Yeah. So in the next class, let's see about the clock.